As you see, this is a very small space. So from there, from this space towards that area, I have more than 20 types of vegetables. So in this corner, I have one, two, three types of tomatoes, big beef tomato and beef steak tomato. So now they're just starting to flower. In here I have onions, and this is beets, the multicolored carrots. They are all down because we just had rain. And this is turnips. Behind this is Swiss chard. And I have a lemon cucumber that's starting to crawl now on the fence. And I placed some calendula. This is the herb. This is dill. Yes, that's dill. And this is the pickling cucumber. In here I have bitter gourd melon, and I place some calendula as well to deter pests, and same with the onions. We keep harvesting it. See? So in here I have the market more cucumber. See this trellis right here? This will be covered with cucumber, beans, buttermelon, and other types of cucumber. So look how wide is that. And here at the end I have planted beans in here. So it has all the way here to the end to cross and occupy the top of the trellis as well. And over here I have 4 types of indeterminate tomatoes, which is chocolate tomatoes, yellow pear-shaped tomatoes, sweet million tomatoes, and the regular orange cherry tomatoes. So my husband designed this to accommodate the tomato, because the indeterminate tomato, they will grow up till to the top, and they are massive producer of fruits. So this will be covered with tomatoes pretty soon. And so over here we have the this is a type of kale. I like to use this for kale chips, and the lettuce are soon going to bolt. So it's been raining since yesterday, so all the bugs are out. You see this here? These are the snails. I like to take it and pick it up and move that there. See that? That's a snail. So just move it right there. Don't eat my food. Then over here too, some lettuces. We've been harvesting the lettuce almost every night for our salad. So it's been producing a lot as well. Same with the kale. My husband likes to use this for his omelet and sandwiches. So if you notice, I always add in between of my vegetables, I always add spring onions. Spring onions, I see that this is very effective. Since I'm planting spring onions in between my vegetables, I got less pest on my greens. Either spring onions or this is type of garlic. I forgot, but this is a type of garlic, but I just don't remember what types it is, but it helps to deter pests as well. Over here I have the hot pepper. Soon that will grow up to here, and it will be loaded of fruits as well. And I have dill weeds growing everywhere. See that? This is really good for making or baking a salmon fish. So in this small space, as you see, this is a very small space. So from there, from this space towards that area, I have more than 20 types of vegetables, and it's plenty enough for us. So either you have small space or big space, it's the way how you manage your space to grow more vegetables, and it's more healthier as well, because I don't use any pesticides on my vegetables and or any chemicals. So I am happy to grow them on my backyard. Here's the culprits. Where's the name? Spicy. Very interesting too. So this container right here, I am using it to collect rainwater to water my plants. See how much water I have collected today? It's full. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like to receive more video of my backyard, you can check the notification bell so that you are being updated. Alright, bye for now and have a good day. So in this small garden, I am growing at least 20 types of vegetables. As you can see in here, this is the tulips.